Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover preprocessor. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover preprocessor. #include includes particular header file. #define defines preprocessor macro. #undefine undefines preprocessor macro. #if not define returns true if preprocessor macro is not defined. #if define returns true if preprocessor macro is defined. #if tests if condition is true. Define operator is used to check whether identifier is defined or not. If defined, it returns true. Else returns false. #elif is combination of #else and #if. #else will execute if #if and #elif is false. #and if ends if. #error prints error message. And #pragma issues special commands to compiler. In the next program, I am going to cover predefined macros. Date provides current date. Time provides current time. File provides current file name. Line provides current line number. And stdc checks whether compiler compiles with ANSI standard. In the next program, I am going to cover preprocessor operator. / or macro continuation operator is used to continue macro or define macro in multiple line instead of one line. # or string is operator is used to convert macro parameter into string constant. Double # or token pasting operator is used to combine two separate argument into single argument. In the next program, I am going to cover parameterized macros. Macros with arguments should be defined with #define. I have created parameterized macro called square, which returns square of number. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.